Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonium. First, let's get acquainted with your instrument. Understanding the bellows, keys, and stops is crucial. Proper posture and hand placement ensure comfort and efficiency. Practice pumping the bellows evenly to create a steady tone. Then, identify the 7 fundamental notes on the keyboard. This foundational knowledge is your first step towards beautiful music. Now, let's build your musical vocabulary. Begin by practicing major scales, moving smoothly up and down across 3 octaves. Next, explore basic 2-note and 3-note chords, understanding their construction. Concentrate on seamless transitions between these musical elements. Consistent practice, perhaps for 15 minutes daily, will significantly improve your finger dexterity and overall playing. With scales and chords under your belt, it's time to add rhythm and melody. Use a metronome to keep time while practicing simple tunes, aiming for a steady beat. Familiarize yourself with basic musical notation or harmonium tablature. Try playing the same melody at varying speeds and volumes. Integrating rhythmic patterns into your daily practice, even for 10 minutes, will enhance your musicality. To truly master the harmonium, consistency is key. Dedicate at least 20 minutes each day to practice. Recording your sessions can provide valuable insights for improvement. Challenge yourself to learn and perform a few complete songs or devotional pieces. Consider joining a local music group or seeking guidance from an experienced teacher. Enjoy the journey of creating your own beautiful music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.